We are from English Department of University of Muhammadiyah Malang Indonesia will present a game, which called UNO for vocabulary.
Firstly, teaching vocabulary is usually done by using memorizing the word. The teacher gives a list of vocabulary and students are asked to memorize it in few minutes, more time, more number of vocabulary that must be memorized. Due to that reason, we purpose UNO for vocabulary. UNO is considered as optional technique because it provides many colors and symbols to stimulate students in learning vocabulary as many as possible.
The purpose of using UNO for vocabulary are: first, increasing students' vocabulary, especially in noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. Second, creating fun learning activities. Third, stimulate and motivate students' understanding in learning vocabulary. And the fourth, attract student interest in learning vocabulary.
Here the rule of this game. The green card for noun, the blue card for adverb, the red one for verb and the yellow for adjective. First rule is the color of the card represents the part of speech that already explained, and the number in the card represents the number of part of speech that must be mentioned by students. For example, there is a yellow card with number 2, and the yellow card represents adjectives, so the students must mention 2 adjectives. Second rule is, the one who spent the card first is the loser. And the winner is the player who holds more cards than other, so he or she can produce many words. Next, when someone run out the cards, they have to leave the game. Then, the player is not allowed to repeat the words that are already mentioned. The fifth rule is, the player is not allowed to open the dictionary. The last rule, for term reserved, skip, draw to and etc. follow the rule of UNO game.
How to score? The student who mentioned the right vocabulary gets score +2. The student who did not mention vocabulary gets score -1. Student who mentioned wrong vocabulary gets score -2. For example, the student gets a blue card with the number is 3, so he should mention 3 adverbs. If he mentioned all of them right, he gets 6 points. If he missing one vocabulary, the total score will be -1, so he gets 3 points. If he mentioned one wrong vocabulary, the total score will be -2, so he gets 2 points.
Thanks for watching our video and hopefully it can benefits for all of you. See you.